Puranak origin of universe, 100 Shri Brahma, the creator, years, equals 1 Mahakalp, equals 311.04 trillion human years. A Mahakalp is followed by a Mahapralay, full dissolution, of equal length. We live in the 51st year of 100 Shri Brahma years, meaning second half or Parardha. Total lifetime of Shri Brahma equals 100 Shri Brahma years, which is called Para. Half of that is called Parardha, meaning 50 years or 1/2 Mahakalp. 1 Shri Brahma year equals 3.1104 trillion human years. 1 Shri Brahma year has a total 360 Shri Brahma days and 360 Shri Brahma nights, or Pralay, which is equal to total 720 Kalps and Pralays. Each Kalp, day of Shri Brahma, is followed by a Pralay, night of Shri Brahma or partial dissolution, of equal length. Hence, 1 Shri Brahma day, 12 hours, plus 1 Shri Brahma night, 12 hours, equals 2 Kalps and Pralays, 24 hours. Thus, in total 100 years, each year having 360 days, meaning, in 1 Mahakalp, there are a total of 36,000 full days, meaning 36,000 Kalps, days proper, and 36,000 Pralays, nights. 1 Shri Brahma day or 1 Shri Brahma night equals 3.1104 trillion divided by 720 equals 4.32 billion human years. 1 Shri Brahma day or night equals 4.32 billion divided by 360 equals 12 million divine, devas or gods, years. We live in first Kalp called Sweta Varaha, in the 51st year of Shri Brahma, meaning 51st year of 100, second half or Parardha. First month of total 12 months. First Kalp of 30 Kalps in 1 month. 7th Manvantara, Shri Vaivaswata Manu, of total 14 Manvantaras. 1 Kalp equals 14 Manvantara plus 15 Manvantara Sandhya equals 4.32 billion human years equals 1000 Maha, or Divya or Chatur, Yugas. Each Manvantara is preceded and followed by the Manvantara Sandhya equal to the length of 1 Satya Yuga. The Manvantara Sandhyas, sometimes called Yuga Sandhya, are periods of partial devastation and creation. 1 Manvantara Sandhya equals 1,728,000 years, which is same as 1 Satya Yuga, also called Krata Yuga. We are living in 7th Manvantara. 1 Manvantara equals 71 Chatur Yugas equals 71 times 4.32 million equals 306.72 million human years. Manvantara Kal, present world is Panch, 5, Mandal order. Chandra, Moon, Mandal, Prithvi, Earth, Mandal, Surya, Sun, Mandal, Parmeshti Mandal, Milky Way Galaxy, and Swayambhu Mandal, Andromeda Galaxy. They are going round the circle, progressively. Time taken by the Surya, Sun, Mandal to revolve around the center of Parmeshti, Akash Ganga, is called Manvantara Kal, time, equals 306.72 million years. But according to modern scientific calculations, the Sun orbits around the center of the Milky Way Galaxy in 230 million years. In divine, devas or gods, years, 1 Manvantara equals 306.72 million human years divided by 360 equals 852,000 divine years. 1 Chatur Yugas equals 4.32 million human years. 1000 Chatur Yugas equals 1 Shri Brahma day equals 4.32 billion human years or 1 Kalp. Kalp Kal, time taken by Parmeshti Mandal, Milky Way Galaxy, to revolve around Swayambhu Mandal, Andromeda Galaxy, is called Kalp equals 4.32 billion years. We are living in 28th Chatur Yuga. 1 cycle of the 4 yugas together equals 12,000 divine years. 1 divine year equals 360 days and 1 divine day equals 1 human year. Satya Yuga, also called Krata Yuga, equals total 4,800 divine years, 400 Sandhya plus 4,000 divine years plus 400 Sandhyamsa. Treta Yuga equals total 3,600 divine years, 300 Sandhya plus 3,000 divine years plus 300 Sandhyamsa. Dwapar Yuga equals total 2,400 divine years, 200 Sandhya plus 2000 divine years plus 200 Sandhyamsa. Kali Yuga equals total 1200 divine years, 100 Sandhya plus 1000 divine years plus 100 Sandhyamsa. Shri Kurma Purana, Chapter 5. Shri Devi Bhagavatam, 9th Skanda. Each yuga is preceded by a period called a Sandhya and followed by a same time period known as a Sandhyamsa. In between these periods of time is the actual yuga. We live in the Kali Yuga of the 28th Divya Yuga of the 7th Shri Vaivaswata Manu of the Kalp called Sweta Varaha, in the 51st year of Shri Brahma. Shri Krishna left earth on the first day of Kali Yuga, 3102 BC. Present year equals 1.972949126 billionth year or 2025 BCE. Total age of the Brahmand equals 4.32 billion years. Years remaining to involution equals 2,347,050,874. The world is absorbed in the Avyakta or the unmanifested or Mula Prakriti during the cosmic pralay, involution of the world. This whole universe remains in a latent state in a seed form in the Mula Prakriti during pralay. This is the night of Shri Brahma. Then, the world is projected at the beginning of the Mahakalpa, evolution. This is the day of Shri Brahma. This eternal rhythm of cosmic day and night, evolution and involution, continues in the universe. Sage Kakbhusanda said, I can remember this earth sinking into the ocean 5 times and Lord Vishnu taking the form of a tortoise, lifting it up, above the water. I have seen the ocean of milk being churned 12 times. I know that Hiranyaksha had taken the earth 3 times to Patal, underworld. The Lord has incarnated 6 times as Bhargava Rama, Lord Parshurama. Incarnation of Shri Buddha has taken place in 6 Kaliyugas. Tripura Dahana, burning of the Tripurasura, has taken place 30 times. Daksha Yaga was broken up twice. Lord Shiva has slain 10 Indras. He fought 7 times with Shri Krishna for the sake of Bana. I also remember another epic entitled Ramayana, containing 1 lakh of verses and dealing with metaphysical problems. I have seen the customs of Karta Yuga being followed in Kali Yuga and the customs of Kali Yuga being followed in Karta Yuga. Janana Vashishtha, Gu Andu Pakhyana.